This week we took a trip to the botanical gardens as usual, but with a little bit of a twist. It was a photograph scavenger hunt. We had a list of things to find, and man, was it a great day of locating all kinds of interesting things to photograph. In this video, we're going to try and edit one of the photos and isolate the subject. Hey, I'm excited about photography, and I hope you are too. So let's learn together. Let's take a moment and try and isolate this flower. And the first thing I like to do, as always, go through the basic steps of lens correction and auto adjusting to see what that will do. That looks pretty good. And now we're going into our aspect ratio. Now here I think I want to drop the flower into this third, left to right. That looks good. I like that parallel here. Yep. Make that done. And then we're going to put a major vignetting in here, I believe. We'll just do something like that. Looks good. And we've isolated that flower. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to do. Maybe make it a little clearer. Yeah, there's some of the haze. That looks good. Then there you go. Isolated that flower. Let's say you want to take this a step further and put this as wallpaper on your PC with all your icons. This typically a lot of people put their icons on the left side, so having this flower on the left would tend to crowd it. So let's isolate it to the other side. There you go. Now you can put all your icons on this side, and you get yourself a nice little wallpaper for your computer. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.